Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today I am making sweet potato treats for our dog. The veterinarian suggested with all her allergies that we put her on a strict diet for 2 months, and he told us about sweet potatoes. I bought 3 sweet potatoes and sliced them in about 1/4 of an inch in several different shapes. They need to cook slow, so I'm going to put it on for 250 degrees. Well, it has been 1 hour. They're starting to look a little crispy. Decided to put the 2 trays on the bottom shelf and put the large tray on the top shelf since it looks a little crispier. Do you want a snacky? You got to speak if you want. You ready for your snack? You're going to see if you like them? What do you think about those, huh? Oh, now you're not sure because I put it in a bowl? Right here, I'll hand it to you here. My snacky? All right. You like that? Is it good? Here. You want another one? Here. There you go. What do you think about those snackies? You like your snacky? I see you wagging your tail. Can you speak? All right. I guess she likes them. She does better with them on the floor. She's not used to eating out of a plate. Wow. You want one more snacky? Oh, I think she likes them. Look at that. Well, Emma likes her sweet potato treats. I decided to use a Ziploc bag to store the sweet potato dog treats. Hope this was helpful. And let me know if you've ever given your dog sweet potato treats. Thank you for watching.